welcome back to my channel. A long time no see. So today I'm just gonna show you guys a couple things that I found at a Dollar Tree. Haven't been there in a while, so I decided I wanted to go and see what they had. I actually made two trips to do for two different Dollar Trees on different days, so it is now related in some things that I kind of like spontaneously found that I was like, oh, I want that. So I just decided to take it because I'd never seen it there. So let's get into the video. I also got stuff from Michaels, so I want to show you guys that too because it is nail related. So let's go with the Michaels first. So at Michaels, I did find these cute little things. I don't know what aisle I found them. They have a whole aisle full of stuff like this, papers like this. I really don't know what these are used for. Comment down below if you know. But I thought these would be so cute for videos. So like when I'm doing like tutorials, I thought these were cute. This looks holographic, and this one is like a pretty iridescent unicorn mermaid style with like a snake printed type of backdrop. So let me see if you guys can see it closer. Very, very cute. Then let me see, I'll put this to the side. So then I found these two. They were on sale. Michaels sells these really expensive. I believe they're usually like $20 there. At Walmart, they're like $10 for the bigger ones with the sturdier paper. But I found this cute one right here, also for backdrops, and it has, well, I'm not going to be able to open it because it's all stuck together, but it has cute backdrops. They have like, I guess, some examples in the front. And I mean, you can kind of see what they're gonna look like, but yeah. I got that one for $5. They were on sale. If not, I probably wouldn't be buying them for $20 because that's crazy. And then I found this one for Valentine's Day, or just, you know, when I want to do like some romantic type style nails. This is really cute, also $5. I don't know if they may still have them available, but you guys can go and check it out. Okay, so let's get into the rest of the Dollar Tree stuff. So in my first bag right here, I got, oh wait, quick thumbnail. Okay, so I hope this doesn't take too long because it looks like a lot of stuff. Okay, so first bag is basically this, has three of the same thing here. I actually had 4 of these. I already opened one to see how they looked, but I decided I was gonna try these out. These are basically jewelry boxes that I can use for like press on nails. So I'm gonna, I don't know if I'm going to do this, but I'm thinking of like trying it out. If you guys are interested in buying press-ons from me, comment down below so I know if, you know, the idea is a good idea or not. I would love to do some press-on nails, you guys, and if you guys want to buy any, let me know. But you know, Dollar Tree, only $1, so I thought that was cute. Every time I see these, you guys, I have to buy them because it has a little spray bottle and I like to put alcohol on them, especially right now with coronavirus. These are great to fill up with alcohol and take to like the grocery store or something and spray everything. Also fill up these with sanitizer. So if you have a big bottle of sanitizer at home, you can fill them up, and you can, you know, they do squeeze out the product. So these are awesome. The Dollar Tree sells these things 3 for $1. So I got that. Oh, and then I found this cool thing in the crafts aisle. So these are basically some, it says, I guess, watercolor paints. And I thought that I wanted to try this to see if they work for like doing what you would call like watercolor nail art. These are really cute, and it has about 5, I believe. Yeah, so it has 5 colors. It has all the primary, and then is that a white or a gray? I'm not really sure. It doesn't say either, but yeah, and it has about 10 grams in them. So I'm gonna try these out and I'll get back to you guys to see if they work. I'll test them out in a video. Okay, so next bag, you guys. Okay, so I got another, what do we call it? I guess like nail brushes. And I got this because I'm going to be doing giveaway at the end of this video. One person will win. If you guys want to win, go ahead and comment down below anything you would like. And actually, you know what? Just comment down below. Make sure you're in the US though. That's another rule. Follow my Instagram, Laura_couture_nails. And make sure to subscribe, you guys. I was gonna say don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell button, and just comment down below your @name from your Instagram or your email, and I'll be picking a random winner on commentpicker.com, and we'll see who wins. So I am going to be doing a little giveaway, and yeah, just make sure you guys do all that. I'll leave the rules in the description box in case you guys want, you know, to see it, because that's how I am. I need to see things to make sure I'm doing it properly. So I'll put all the information in the description box, and I'll pick one winner, and I'm basically just going to be putting a little Dollar Tree kit together for you guys. So yeah, I got that. So this will be for the winner because I already have some. I got one of these I don't know, pumice stones. Yeah, pumice stones. This pumice stone is really good to keep in your shower. I actually really like the other one that is from Sassy and Chic as well, and usually I get the one that has a brush on it and all that, but I really just wanted the pumice stone this time. But even the little pumice stone from the other one works really well, so I know this is going to be great, and I can't wait to use it. I'm going to put it in my bathroom today. I've just been storing this stuff for a couple days, you guys. I also got some spoons. I just always keep plastic spoons and forks in my house because I have kids, and I'm like, I don't got time to wash dishes all the time, so I'd like to save my time doing that. I got some batteries. These are AA batteries. You can never have enough batteries in the house. You never know when you're gonna need it. I got this little dispenser bottle so you can put alcohol, or if you want to put acetone for your nails. So this will be for the winner as well. Oh, and I got more. Ooh, my hair's on this. Okay, I got some more acetone. This is 100% pure acetone. It works 100% amazing, great. And I always stock up when I go to the Dollar Tree because it's only $1. Oh, you guys, look what I found. Okay, so I already had opened it, but I haven't tried it out. That's another reason why I got the batteries. But this is a facial cleansing brush. You know the ones that you need batteries? I used to buy mine at, like, I think TJ Maxx or Ross, and I kind of broke it because it fell in the shower. But I'm gonna see if it works, and I'll let you guys know. But it does come with the little brush here, and then you just put it in there, and it should work just fine. They have them available right now, you guys. At least the ones in my area do. So try to see if you can find that. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good deal. Okay, let's see what else we got. So let's go to bag number 3. Okay, so bag number 3 has, oh, I found this really cool thing a long time ago, but I never bought it. So I decided to get it this time because I do have like my wax pencil, my nail brushes and stuff like that. So this is like a nail art and pencil holder organizer, and it looks like this when you put it together. So I cannot wait to try that out. So yeah, it looks easy to put up together too, and it has 49 holes. Right now my stuff is like in this, so I really do think it's gonna work well. I can't wait to try it out and have it at my desk. Okay, so let's see. Oh, I thought my battery was dying. I was like, no. Okay, so I got another buffer because you can never have enough, but I already have, oh no, actually I need to go shopping for buffers or order some on Amazon. But this one's going to be specifically for the winner. These buffers are really good for your natural nails, or if you have nail enhancements. I also found this crazy thing by Real Techniques. I cannot believe it. Sometimes they have name brand stuff at the Dollar Tree, which is amazing, and that's when you need to hurry up and get them. So this is a Real Techniques base foundation applicator, and it looks like it's, I don't know what it's made out of. It looks like this though. What do you guys think it's made out of? It's definitely not made out of like the other one, like the spongy one. I don't know what it is. It just looks like, but if I can just wash this easier, it'll probably be cleaner too to use. I don't know, it doesn't say anything, but it just says foundation applicator. It says use dry, so can't wait to use that. Next thing I found is this silicone facial mask applicator. So I think I'm just gonna use this though for my lip gloss to mix it up. We'll see, because me and my mom are working on some matte lipsticks right now, so we're just waiting for more of the ingredients to come in. But I think it might work. If not, I'll have to order the little spoons that you actually need. All right, so then we have some acetone in a actual dispensing bottle. I thought that was cool. And it's already the acetone inside, and it's really full, and it's really big. So then we have, let me see, I already opened one of these things, but they're these little bags. So, you know, me and my mom started our lip gloss business, like I mentioned to you guys, with the little applicator. So we're gonna use this for whatever. Just, we got this like in the baby shower aisle, but they're little, what they call them, organza bags, sacks, yeah. And we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I opened 1, 6. They're actually really cute, and they look like this. So if you have like, I'll probably use these when I sell my acrylic next year too. Look how cute. And then you just close it up. Very, very cute. Close it up more, but yeah. And then, let's see. Oh, I got a paintbrush because we're still painting. And then the last thing I got is these little soak off things for your nails. So this will be for the giveaway winner as well. So let's see, I'll probably be giving this, and a couple other things that I have stored. Maybe some, I got some more nail tips. I'm gonna make a cute little bag. So if you guys want to win, don't forget to look in the description box to see the rules. But you guys, that is it for today's video. I thought I found some pretty cool stuff. Let me know what you guys thought about the video and what you really liked that I found. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, because my analytics show that most of my viewers are not subscribed, and it would help me so much. It will help support the channel as well if you guys subscribe to my channel, because I love you guys so much. So please just do that for me, a little teensy favor. And don't forget to like the video, because it also helps with the algorithm on YouTube. And that is all for today's video, and see you guys next time. God bless every single one of you, and I love you guys once again. Have a good one. Bye bye.
Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move.